Here's how to remove your country location from your YouTube channel page. Open YouTube in Chrome and go to your channel. If your country is showing in your channel description, you can remove it using the YouTube Data API Explorer. Search for Channel Update YouTube Data in your browser and click the official Google result. On the page, click the icon next to the Update Branding option. In the code pop-up, select and delete the last two lines. In their place, type this exactly with no spaces. "country, colon, followed by two empty quotation marks. Now you need your channel ID. Go to your channel in YouTube, click Customize Channel, and scroll down to find the channel URL. Copy the part after channel/. That is your ID. Go back to the API Explorer and paste it into the Your Channel ID field. Click Execute. You will be prompted to sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Once signed in, the request will run. If the result shows code 200, it was successful. Refresh your channel page, and your country will no longer appear in the description. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.